Okay, now everyone is saying that BAG. So let's find out what is BAG. B for bachelor's, A for arts, and G for general. So Bachelor of Arts, general. So when did this got introduced? In the month of June 2019. So first batch must have been got into the system was in June 2019. So earlier to BAG, what was there? There was something known as BDP. Okay. In BDP, again, art, science, and commerce all were there, but then that is not there right now. What we are having is CBCS system. CBCS means choice-based credit system. The new system is introduced, and the first batch got introduced in 2019, and they were supposed to have their exams in December month. No, not in December month, June month of 2020, which did not happen. Okay, and they told them that their exams will be there in December 2020, but then again it got cancelled and they got promoted. So the promotion is applicable to this June 2019 batch. But as usual, there are some students who joined in June, joined in December month, or we can say that in the month of January 2020 batch. So now this batch are supposed to study for 1 year, okay, and at the end of the year, December 2020, they are supposed to have their exams. Okay, after submission of assignment in the month of September or October, they are supposed to have their exams in December month. But again, that got postponed to something around February month, February 2021. Right now, some 13th it is going to start, or some 10th it is going to start. So now this is the situation. Now what is the problem that since this exam which was supposed to happen in June 2020 did not happen, or December 2020 did not happen, there are no question papers available. There are no question papers available. So now you will be thinking what to study and how to study. It's a big thing. So I'll just tell you how to study, because studying requires one very important thing, that is reading. Okay, so IGNOU has done a very good job by providing us with the study materials. Okay, like in this scenario, this book, BHIC 131, History of India from the earliest times. So IGNOU has given a really good big study material. So what I am supposed to do, what any student supposed to do, is to go through the book. That is the first thing, you're reading. Okay, and the second thing, as anyone would like to do, is taking notes. Taking notes. Now, how to take notes? Very simple. Once you read something, now I was reading Unit 3, and I see there is that history, it is related to geography and linked to geography, then history of mankind and environment are mutually influence one another. It's like, see how, and then I say it like soil. So now environment contains soil, rainfall, vegetation, climate, and environment. All these things is affecting human evolution. So like these notes you have to take. Once you understand the concept, you take out the notes, okay, and then you study it. Okay, then the next thing what you want to know is where to find out the questions. This is a very important thing, because we have not seen questions. But according to the teachers, what they say, that we have answered the assignment. So whatever thing that you have seen in assignment, similar question paper will come. Okay, similar question paper will come. That means what? Assignment paper are our guide for questions. And again, I would like to also bring to your notice that when you turn your pages, okay, when you study, okay, you can see that there are, once you end any unit, you can see that there are question papers, questions given, like check your progress, discuss briefly, and what is Veda. And there are also questions which are tick marked. So like this, there are questions given entire chapters. All the chapters are given questions. See answers to check your progress. So what I recommend, what I suggest, or what I can tell you, that reading, reading and answering those questions will help you. Okay, and finally, see, if you are doing your IGNOU and distance learning, okay, so what does that mean? You want to study, that's why you joined, or I think you are not joined just for certificates, right? You just want certificate, then you can contact me. I can provide you certificate. Nah, I'm kidding. see, no one joins for certificate, because we want to study, we join. Okay, we want to study. If you want to study, we have to take the real efforts and then study. Okay, and you can feel free to contact me. I can give you in description my WhatsApp group link, and feel free to contact me, and together we can study out whatever things are going on in this IGNOU. Okay, chalo, bye.